Homeowners searching for casement window installation. Fleming Island trust local professionals for beautiful, secure, and long-lasting results in Fleming Island, Florida. From new casement windows Fleming Island projects to full casement window replacement near Fleming Island, Florida, properly installed windows improve ventilation, curb appeal, and daily comfort. A dependable casement window company. Fleming Island can help property owners compare vinyl casement windows Fleming Island, aluminum casement windows Fleming Island, and modern casement windows Fleming Island for every room, style, and budget. Whether you need residential casement windows for a waterfront home or a full casement window upgrade in Fleming Island, Florida, skilled casement window installers Fleming Island, Florida deliver precise fitting and reliable performance. Energy savings remain a major reason to choose energy-efficient casement windows Fleming Island for homes throughout Fleming Island, Florida. High-efficiency casement windows Fleming Island, Florida are designed to reduce drafts, improve insulation, and support better indoor temperature control during hot Florida summers and changing coastal weather. Double-pane casement windows Fleming Island and double-pane casement window replacement Fleming Island, Florida are especially popular for homeowners who want lower utility bills and better sound reduction. With expert casement window sealing and insulation Fleming Island, Florida, homeowners can maximize performance while upgrading to the best casement windows Fleming Island for comfort and durability. Weather protection matters in Northeast Florida, which is why hurricane-resistant casement windows Fleming Island are in high demand. Storm-resistant casement windows Fleming Island, Florida and hurricane impact casement windows Fleming Island, Florida offer stronger glass, reinforced frames, and dependable sealing for homes exposed to wind, rain, and seasonal storms. A trusted custom casement window company in Fleming Island, Florida can recommend premium casement windows in Fleming Island, Florida that combine safety, style, and efficiency. For homeowners looking for peace of mind, these residential casement window contractors Fleming Island, Florida provide options tailored to local code requirements and coastal conditions in Fleming Island, Florida. Material selection can greatly influence appearance, maintenance needs, and lifespan for every casement window replacement Fleming Island project. Vinyl casement windows Fleming Island are popular for their low maintenance, affordability, and moisture resistance, making them ideal for many homes in Fleming Island, Florida. Aluminum casement windows Fleming Island are valued for slim sightlines, modern appeal, and structural strength, especially in contemporary designs. Homeowners comparing the best casement windows Fleming Island often ask local casement window contractors Fleming Island to explain the benefits of each material based on home style, sun exposure, and storm readiness needs. Choosing experienced professionals is essential for a successful installation, repair, or upgrade in Fleming Island, Florida. Local casement window specialists Fleming Island, Florida, licensed casement window installers Fleming Island, Florida, and dedicated casement window contractors Fleming Island bring product knowledge, local code familiarity, and workmanship that protects your investment. Whether you need casement window replacement near Fleming Island, Florida, a simple casement window crank repair Fleming Island, or complete installation of hurricane-resistant casement windows Fleming Island, the right team can deliver lasting results. For homeowners seeking a custom casement window company in Fleming Island, Florida, a trusted local provider offers expert guidance, premium products, and dependable service from estimate to final inspection. Budget-friendly solutions are available for families who want affordable casement windows Fleming Island without sacrificing quality. Affordable casement windows near Fleming Island, Florida come in a range of materials, energy ratings, and frame styles, making it easier to find the right balance of cost and performance. A best-rated casement window company Fleming Island, Florida can provide free casement window estimate Fleming Island, Florida services so homeowners understand pricing before work begins. With clear casement window estimates Fleming Island, property owners can compare repair, retrofit, and full replacement options to choose the most cost-effective improvement for their home in Fleming Island, Florida. Customization gives homeowners more control over style, ventilation, and performance with custom casement windows Fleming Island designed for the architecture of each property. Whether you prefer clean-lined modern casement windows Fleming Island, durable vinyl casement window installation Fleming Island, Florida, or sleek aluminum casement windows Fleming Island for contemporary homes. Local casement window specialists Fleming Island can create a solution that fits your space. Custom sizing is ideal for renovations, unusual openings, and premium home upgrades in Fleming Island, Florida. From elegant residential casement windows Fleming Island to practical replacement units, customized windows add value and function.